Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study for You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Write the evolution of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Evolution of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Pre-Swachh Bharat initiatives. Before the launch of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, various initiatives aimed at improving sanitation and hygiene in India had been undertaken. 1. Central Rural Sanitation Program, CRSP, 1986. Focused on improving the quality of life in rural areas by providing sanitary facilities. Promoted the construction of individual household latrines, IHLs. 2. Total Sanitation Campaign, TSC, 1999. A more comprehensive approach to sanitation, focusing on behavior change and community-led initiatives. Emphasized the importance of information, education, and communication, IEC, to drive behavioral change. 3. Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan, NBA, 2012. A restructured version of the TSC, aiming to accelerate sanitation coverage in rural areas. Sought to achieve an open defecation-free, ODF, India by 2022. Launch of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on October 2, 2014, to honor Mahatma Gandhi's vision of a clean and hygienic India. The mission had two main components: Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Urban, and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Gramin. Objectives of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. 1. Eliminate open defecation. Construct toilets for households, schools, and public places to eradicate open defecation and improve sanitation facilities. 2. Eradicate manual scavenging. Modernize sanitation practices and provide dignified employment to manual scavengers, ensuring no one is involved in this hazardous practice. 3. Efficient solid waste management. Promote proper waste segregation, collection, transportation, processing, and disposal to manage solid waste efficiently. 4. Awareness and behavioral change. Educate and motivate citizens about the importance of cleanliness, hygiene, and sanitation, encouraging behavioral change and community participation. 5. Ensure cleanliness in public spaces. Maintain cleanliness in public places such as streets, parks, and markets, ensuring a clean environment for all. 6. Encourage private sector participation. Involve corporate entities in funding and implementing sanitation projects as part of their corporate social responsibility (CSR) initiatives. Implementation phases. 1. 2014-2016 Initial phase. Focus on awareness campaigns and community mobilization. Construction of a large number of toilets to address the immediate need for sanitation facilities. 2. 2017-2019 Intensified efforts. Enhanced efforts to achieve open defecation-free (ODF) status in more villages and towns. Strengthening solid and liquid waste management systems. Introduction of the Swachh Bharat Survekshan to rank cities based on cleanliness and sanitation. 3.2019 onwards, sustaining ODF status and beyond. Focus on sustaining ODF status through continued behavioral change and infrastructure maintenance. Addressing issues of solid and liquid waste management comprehensively. Expanding the mission to include Swachh Bharat Mission, Urban 2.0 and Swachh Bharat Mission, Gramin, Phase 2 for sustained efforts. Key achievements. 1. Toilet construction. Over 110 million toilets constructed across rural and urban India, significantly reducing open defecation. 2. ODF villages in cities. Many states and union territories declared themselves ODF, with significant improvements in sanitation coverage. 3. Behavioral change. Increased awareness and adoption of hygienic practices, such as hand washing and regular use of toilets. 4. Solid waste management. Improved waste management practices with better infrastructure for waste segregation, collection, and disposal. 5. Recognition and awards. International recognition for India's efforts in improving sanitation and hygiene under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Challenges and future directions. 1. Sustainability. Ensuring the long-term sustainability of sanitation facilities and behavioral change, particularly in rural areas. 2. Quality of infrastructure. Addressing issues related to the quality and usability of constructed toilets. 3. Comprehensive waste management. Developing and implementing effective solid and liquid waste management systems. 4. Funding and resource allocation. Securing consistent financial and resource support for ongoing sanitation initiatives. 5. Community participation. Maintaining community engagement and ownership of sanitation projects. Conclusion. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has made significant strides in improving sanitation and hygiene in India, transforming public attitudes and infrastructure. While the mission has achieved remarkable successes, ongoing efforts are needed to address challenges and ensure the sustainability of its outcomes. Continued focus on community engagement, infrastructure quality, and comprehensive waste management will be essential to realizing the long-term goals of a clean and hygienic India.